Let's learn Verus. In this video, we're going to create a VerusID using the Verus Desktop GUI wallet. It's going to take 2 steps. We're going to commit the name, and then we're going to register the identity. But in fact, we've already committed the name for Crypto Bro. So that's the one we are going to create. And we've used I love Verus 99 and mom at as referrals, in the sense that we used I love Verus 99 at as the referral, and it gets 20 VerusID test referral fee. And because mom at is the referral for I love Verus 99 at, mom at will also be part of the referral chain, and so mom at will also receive 20 VerusID test, and so in total we'll get 40 VerusID test back. And because we used a referral, instead of 100 VerusID test, it only costs 80 VerusID tests to create the ID. And so doing all that math, the total that we're going to spend for the ID is 40 VerusID test, as we receive back 20 plus 20. Okay, so we've already committed the name. We've gone through that first step where we commit the name. Okay, now we're ready to create the VerusID. So we're going to click Create VerusID. And in this case, we're going to choose a revocation ID and a recovery ID. So let's choose, instead of choosing self, which would be Crypto Bro, we're going to choose mom at as the revocation ID. Now, if ever you choose a revocation ID other than self, okay, if it's not self, if it's not Crypto Bro, but instead it's something else like mom at, then you need to choose another recovery ID other than self. It can be mom at as well, or it could be I love Verus 99. Either way, it has to be something other than self. Otherwise, if you revoke with mom, then you can't recover, because self doesn't have the same authority as it did before. So you got to be careful with that. All right. So we've chosen mom at as the revocation recovery, as the revocation ID. We've got I love Verus 99 at as the recovery ID. If you want to learn more about the different authorities, the primary authority, revocation, and recovery authorities, you can read the various documents that are available. We also have a private address that we could add here. But since we didn't copy one, we're just going to leave it blank, and we won't have a private address for this ID. And we can update it in the future. So we're going to press continue. We have the information here, including the revocation and recovery IDs. So we're going to press continue. And then we have even more information here, including a transaction ID. And then we're done. Done. So now Crypto Bro is in the process of being registered into the chain. We're going to wait for the next block. After block 32031, then Crypto Bro will be registered into the Verus network, and or the Verus test network, and then we'll be done. Okay. Now, as an example, if you want to update your identity, you would open your identity. Let's say you want to add a Z address. You would open your identity, and then you would click update right here. And then you have these different fields that you could use to update. And in the case of Crypto Bro, the Z address will be blank. It'll be empty. There will be nothing in here. And we can paste our Z address in here. But we're not updating anything, so I'm going to just close that window. Go back to the wallet tab here to find a Z address. You go to the private balance here, you click receive, And then you can use a pre-existing Z address, or you can create a new private address. You create the new private address, and then you copy it, and then you go into your ID, and you click update, and you paste it in here. And that's it. Let's see. All right. We hit the next block, 32033. Check out our VerusID dashboard. And there it is, Crypto Bro. And here, why don't we quickly update Crypto Bro with a Z address. So let's go to the wallet, click receive in the private side. We're going to create a new private address. Boom. ZS1TL. That's this one over here. We're going to click copy. We're going to close this. And we're going to go to the VerusID tab. We're going to open the Crypto Bro ID. We're going to click update. As you can see, there's no private address. So we're going to paste that into here. The Z address that we just copied. Everything else we're going to keep the same. We're going to click continue. We're going to click continue again after we confirm that everything is okay there. And then we're done. That's it. Click done. And we have updated Crypto Bro with a private address. And once the transaction is confirmed in the chain, a private address will show up right here on this side of the balance section. We have our transparent balance on the left side, which is the I address. And we'll have the private balance on this side, which will be a Z address. All right. Let's check the mining tab. I don't think we're going to wait for it unless by some chance it confirms in the next 5 or 10 seconds. I think we're just going to end here, and that's it. I hope this has been helpful for you. And until next time, wishing you well. Stick around for more.